Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to do multicam in Zoom meetings. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to share multiple camera angles during your presentation, perhaps showing both your face and a separate view of a product, whiteboard, or workspace simultaneously. Let's start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Once it's launched, you'll need to either join an existing Zoom meeting or start a new one. This multicam feature only works once you're actively in a meeting session, so make sure you're connected before moving forward. Now, under normal circumstances, you would see your primary camera feed showing in the preview window at this point. This is where Zoom displays what your main camera is capturing. However, right now, I don't have a camera available to demonstrate this specific preview, but I'll walk you through the next steps so you understand exactly what to do when you have your camera set up. Once you're in the meeting and can see your primary camera working, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar of the Zoom interface. Here, you'll find several control buttons for managing your meeting. Look for the button labeled Share Screen and click on it. This button is essential because it's not just for sharing your computer screen, it's also the gateway to accessing advanced sharing options like adding a second camera view. After clicking Share Screen, a new window will pop up displaying various sharing options. At the top of this window, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Advanced. This is where Zoom hides some of its more powerful features that go beyond basic screen sharing. The Advanced tab opens up options like sharing audio, video files, and importantly for us, additional camera feeds. Within the Advanced tab, look at the right panel where you'll see different advanced sharing options listed. You want to select the one that says Second Camera. This option allows you to broadcast a feed from an additional camera connected to your computer, creating that multicam effect we're aiming for. Once you've clicked on Second Camera, you'll notice another option appears. Click on Content Only. This setting ensures that only the camera feed itself is shared without any additional interface elements cluttering the view. Finally, click the Share button to activate your second camera feed. Your meeting participants will now be able to see both your primary camera and your secondary camera simultaneously, giving them a more comprehensive view of your presentation or workspace. And there you have it, you've successfully set up multicam functionality in your Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.